Hello, and thank you for giving Fred Martin Nissan the opportunity to earn your business. You recently expressed interest in a Nissan Versa with us, and I wanted to send you over a quick video of one that we have in stock so you can see it for yourself. If you have any questions, you can call or text Ashley directly at 330-714-7621. This 2020 Nissan Versa has been completely redesigned. It's going to be standard with a very fuel economical 1.6 liter 4-cylinder with its power taken to the road by a continuously variable transmission. This thing should average somewhere around 35 miles a gallon. On the highway, even up close to 40 miles a gallon. This vehicle is the most tech-advanced vehicle in its class. So you have options like blind spot warning, intelligent cruise control, lane departure warning, so many great options, even a haptic steering wheel for your lane departure warning. We're located at 3388 South Arlington Road. That's 3388 South Arlington Road, over here across the street from Lowe's. We do have late night and weekend hours to accommodate for your convenience. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we're looking forward to helping you make an informed car buying decision here at Fred Martin Nissan. Reach out and let's set up a good time. Schedule your test drive. Take care.